Now we're going to have some fun with shapes. I've got 3 sheets here for you, reflecting triangles horizontally, vertically and diagonally. You'll know that if you have 3 points, you can make them into a triangle. So we're going to investigate what happens if we do different things to the coordinates. Here are some coordinates for a triangle. Some numbers are positive, for example, this one, and this one, and some are negative. And what I've done is I've put negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, so I've mixed them up a little bit. You're going to choose your own numbers here, and then what you're going to do, if you do those in one colour, you can then go across to the other side here, and you're going to change the sign of the x coordinates from positive to negative or negative to positive. So the -2 becomes a +2, the -1 becomes a +1, the 6 becomes a -6. You'll notice that the y values, which is the second coordinate, remember, these stay the same. So it's 4 and it stays as a 4. The next one is -5, it stays as -5. And the last one is 3 and it stays as 3. So the only one you change is the x coordinate. And if we then put the points on the grid, we'll start with the pink ones. Let's look at that first one. That was -2, 4. Remember, the first coordinate is the left or right. The second one is the up or down. So that means left 2 and then up 4. So if I start at my origin, which is here in the middle, remember, what was it now? Left 2, up 4. I go left 2 and then up 4. There's my first point there. Do you get the idea? So you plot your 3 points, you plot your other 3 points in your different colour, join the lines together with a ruler carefully, and you should get a beautiful symmetrical pattern. It'll be different to mine, but if it's symmetrical, it means you've done it correctly. And in this case, the triangle has been reflected horizontally, which means from left to right. The second sheet, reflecting vertically, works in the same way. If you want to try and make them reflect diagonally, it's a little bit different. Again, you put your points in there. And then the instruction here is to swap each x coordinate with the y coordinate. So if, for example, we had 2, -4 over here, we would swap them over and put -4 and then 2. The 2 numbers just swap places, and you do that for the other ones as well. Okay, so have some fun with those, and I'll see you again soon.